It's week 11, day 4 na ating course training program. As you can see, paulit-ulit, bike na naman. So malapit na May 4. This is the day na i-break natin ang 10 km with less than 1 hour. Let's hope ma-hit natin yung goal na yan. Talaga ma-hit natin. Last year we failed noong July 7. Pero ngayon yun ang ini-aim natin. So tara, 20 km night bike ride muna tayo. Let's go. 5K. Let's go. Ayan, sa mga siklista dyan, pahingin naman ako ng suggestion or recommendations na maganda pakinggan during cycling. No? So, podcast, audiobooks. So, currently, I'm listening Atomic Habits by James Clear. And pangatlong pakinggan ko na to. Wala kasi akong makita ang maganda eh. So, hit the comment section kung may masuggest kayo. 10K. Second loop done. Okay, 15K done, 3 loops done. It's exactly 5K pabalik, 20K total. This is it. Call it a night. See you next video.